Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and today I'm going to share something that sounds almost too simple to be true, but the science behind it is rock solid. We're talking about a specific vitamin you can add to your morning coffee that supports healthy erectile function. Even if you're in your 60s or 70s, stick with me to the end, because I'll reveal multiple vitamin combinations backed by clinical studies. Why erectile function declines? Here's the truth. Erectile dysfunction is rarely just a problem below the belt. It's a symptom of what's happening inside your cardiovascular system, your hormones, and even your nutritional status. Deficiencies in certain vitamins reduce blood flow, lower nitric oxide, and weaken nerve response, but the fix can be surprisingly simple. Adding targeted nutrients to your coffee each morning supports your body from the inside out. Vitamin D, the sunshine hormone. Vitamin D is the #1 deficiency linked to erectile dysfunction. It's not just a vitamin, it's a hormone precursor. Adequate levels of vitamin D boost testosterone, support nitric oxide production, and keep blood vessels flexible. Up to 70% of men over 50 are deficient, and those men are 32% more likely to have ED. Add 2,000 to 5,000 IU of D3 to your coffee, but make sure there's fat in it. A splash of cream, milk, or coconut oil helps your body absorb it. Vitamin B3, niacin, the blood flow booster. Next up is vitamin B3 or niacin. This powerhouse improves blood vessel dilation and cholesterol balance, both essential for strong erections. In studies, men who took niacin for 12 weeks saw major improvements in erectile function, especially if they had high cholesterol. Start with 50 to 100 milligrams and work up to 500 milligrams. Expect a harmless niacin flush. That warming sensation means it's improving blood flow. Vitamin E, the protector. Vitamin E is an antioxidant that protects your blood vessel walls from oxidative stress, a key factor in ED. It supports endothelial health and testosterone synthesis. Add 400 IU of vitamin E mixed tocopherols to your coffee with fat. This vitamin helps your cells stay young, your blood flow strong, and your performance steady. Vitamin C, the nitric oxide shield. Vitamin C is your nitric oxide's best friend. It keeps nitric oxide molecules stable and supports collagen production, which strengthens blood vessels. Mix 500 to 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C powder into your coffee. It's water-soluble and easy to absorb. Together with vitamin D and E, it helps restore healthy circulation and vitality from the inside out. Vitamin K2, the calcium controller. Vitamin K2 keeps your arteries flexible by directing calcium into your bones and away from your blood vessels. Stiff, calcified arteries are a silent cause of erectile dysfunction. K2 also supports testosterone synthesis. Add 100 to 200 micrograms of -7 Malawian kwaches formed to your coffee with fat, and pair it with vitamin D3 for best results. The B-complex trio, B6, B9 folate, and B12 support nerve function, hormone regulation, and nitric oxide production. B12 is especially vital for men over 50, as deficiency causes fatigue and numbness. Look for a high-quality B-complex with methylated forms, P5P B6, methylfolate B9, and methylcobalamin B12. Mix it into your coffee or take alongside breakfast. Why coffee helps? Coffee itself supports blood flow and performance. Caffeine relaxes smooth muscle and blood vessels and improves circulation. Studies show men who drink 2 to 3 cups daily have lower ED risk. Combine it with these vitamins and you have a potent, natural morning stack. Well, your morning stack. Here's your 60-second formula. Keycap 1 coffee with cream, coconut oil, or butter. Keycap 2 add 2,000 to 5,000 IU vitamin D3. Keycap 3 add 500 milligrams vitamin C powder. Keycap 4 add 400 IU vitamin E plus 100 micrograms K2. Keycap 5 take a B complex alongside. Keycap 6 optional. 50 to 500 milligrams niacin for added vascular support. Lifestyle and safety. Vitamins help, but your lifestyle seals the deal. Get 7 to 9 hours of sleep, manage stress, exercise, and maintain a healthy weight. Avoid smoking and excessive alcohol. Both destroy blood flow. Always talk to your doctor if you take meds or blood thinners. Start tomorrow morning. Add these nutrients to your coffee, Stay consistent for 8 weeks, and you'll likely notice more energy, confidence, and performance. If you found this helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Dr. Zoe Hartley for more natural men's health science. I'm Dr. Zoe Hartley, and remember, sexual health is total health. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.